Hey there, future CNAs. Ready to level up your skills and confidence? This video is just the beginning. We have even more CNA practice tests and lessons waiting for you, and the best part, it's completely free. So check it out. Now let's get started.
Question 1. A bookstore has a sale with a 15% discount on all books. If a book is initially priced at $25, how much is the discounted price? Option A, 21.25. B, 3.75. C, 22.25. D, none of these. The correct answer is A, 21.25. Step 1. One approach to percent off problems is to calculate the percent you would be paying. The original price is 100%. We are taking off 15%, which means we will be paying 85%, 100 minus 15, of the purchase price. By multiplying the purchase price by 0.85, the decimal form of 85%, we can find the discounted price. 0.25 times 0.85 equals 21.25. Question 2. A furniture store offers a 25% discount on all sofas. If a sofa is initially priced at $1,200, what is the sale price? Option A, $1,175. B, $300. C, $900. D, none of these. The correct answer is C, $900. Step 1. One approach to percent off problems is to calculate the percent you would be paying. The original price is 100%. We are taking off 25%, which means we will be paying 75%, 100 minus 25, of the purchase price. By multiplying the purchase price by 0.75, the decimal form of 75%, we can find the discounted price. 1,200 times 0.75 equals 900. Question 3. A tech store provides a 12% discount on laptops. If a laptop is originally priced at $800, what is the discounted price? Option A, $96. B, $704. C, $712. D, none of these. The correct answer is B, $704. Step 1. One approach to percent off problems is to calculate the percent you would be paying. The original price is 100%. We are taking off 12%, which means we will be paying 88%, 100 minus 12, of the purchase price. By multiplying the purchase price by 0.88, the decimal form of 88%, we can find the discounted price. 800 times 0.88 equals 704. Question 4. Solve for z in the equation 7z minus 14 equals 21. Fill in the blank. The correct answer is z equals 5. Step 1. The goal is to get the z by itself using inverse opposite operations. Start by isolating the 7z by adding 14 to both sides of the equation. 7z minus 14 plus 14 equals 21 plus 14. 7z equals 35. Step 2. Isolate the z by dividing by 7 on both sides. 7z divided by 7 equals 35 divided by 7. Z equals 5. Question 5. Determine the value of y in the equation 2y plus 10 equals 26. Fill in the blank. The correct answer is y equals 8. Step 1. The goal is to get the y by itself using inverse opposite operations. Start by isolating the 2y by subtracting 10 from both sides of the equation. 2y plus 10 minus 10 equals 26 minus 10. 2y equals 16. Step 2. Isolate the y by dividing by 2 on both sides. 2y divided by 2 equals 16 divided by 2. Y equals 8. A store offers a 20% discount on all products. If a customer purchases an item originally priced at $120, how much money do they save? Option A, 24. B, 96. C, 12. D, 108. The correct answer is A, 24. Step 1. To calculate the savings, multiply the price of the item times 0.2, which is 20% in decimal form. 120 times 0.2 equals 24. Hint: if you wanted to use mental math, 10% is easy to do in your head. Move the decimal one place to the left so that 120 becomes 12.0. 10% is 12, and so 20% is twice that, which is 24. Question 7. Find the value of y in the equation. 4y plus 7 equals 31. Option A, 24. B, 20. C, 6. D, none of these. The correct answer is C, 6. Step 1. The goal is to get the y by itself using inverse opposite operations. Start by isolating the 4y by subtracting 7 from both sides of the equation. 4y plus 7 minus 7 equals 31 minus 7. 4y equals 24. Step 2. Isolate the y by dividing by 4 on both sides. 4y divided by 4 equals 24 divided by 4. Y equals 6. Question 8. Find the value of c in the equation. 5c plus 12 equals 37. Option A, 5. B, 49 fifths. C, 25. D, none of these. The correct answer is A, 5. Step 1. The goal is to get the c by itself using inverse opposite operations. Start by isolating the 5c by subtracting 12 from both sides of the equation. 5c plus 12 minus 12 equals 37 minus 12. 5c equals 25. Step 2. Isolate the c by dividing by 5 on both sides. 5c slash 5 equals 25 fifths. C equals 5. Question 9. Determine the value of a in the equation. 2a plus 8 equals 20. Fill in the blank answer. The correct answer is a equals 6. Step 1. The goal is to get the a by itself using inverse opposite operations. Start by isolating the 2a by subtracting 8 from both sides of the equation. 2a plus 8 minus 8 equals 20 minus 8. 2a equals 12. Step 2. Isolate the a by dividing by 2 on both sides. 2a slash 2 equals 12 halves. Equals 6. Question 10. A grocery store provides a 7% discount on all fresh produce. If a basket of fruits and vegetables is initially priced at $40, how much is the discounted price? Fill in the blank answer. The correct answer is 37.2. Step 1. One approach to percent off problems is to calculate the percent you would be paying. The original price is 100%. We are taking off 7%, which means we will be paying 93%, 100 minus 7 of the purchase price. By multiplying the purchase price by 0.93, the decimal form of 93%, we can find the discounted price. 40 times 0.93 equals 37.2. If a product is initially priced at $50 and is on sale for 25% off, what is the discounted price? Option A, $12.50. B, $37.50. C, $10. D, $40. The correct answer is B, $37.50. Step 1. To find the amount of the discount, you multiply the price times 0.25, the decimal form of 25%. 50 times 0.25 equals 12.5. Step 2. To find the discounted purchase price, you subtract the discount you just found from the original price. 50 minus 12.50 equals 37.50. Question 12. A clothing store gives a 30% discount on all jeans. If a pair of jeans is originally priced at $60, what is the sale price? Option A, $18. B, $20. C, $42. D, $40. The correct answer is C, $42. Step 1. One approach to percent off problems is to calculate the percent you would be paying. The original price is 100%. We are taking off 30%, which means we will be paying 70%, 100 minus 30 of the purchase price. By multiplying the purchase price by 0.70, the decimal form of 70%, we can find the discounted price. 60 times 0.70 equals 42. Question 13. Solve for z in the equation. 6z minus 9 equals 27. Fill in the blank answer. The correct answer is z equals 6. Step 1. The goal is to get the z by itself using inverse opposite operations. Start by isolating the 6z by adding 9 to both sides of the equation. 6z minus 9 plus 9 equals 27 plus 9. 6z equals 36. Step 2. Isolate the z by dividing by 6 on both sides. 6z over 6 equals 36 over 6. Z equals 6. Question 14. Find the value of a in the equation. 3a plus 6 equals 33. Option A, 27. B, 24. C, 9. D, none of these. The correct answer is C, 9. Step 1. The goal is to get the a by itself using inverse opposite operations. Start by isolating the 3a by subtracting 6 from both sides of the equation. 3a plus 6 minus 6 equals 33 minus 6. 3a equals 27. Step 2. Isolate the a by dividing by 3 on both sides. 3a over 3 equals 27 over 3. A equals 9. Question 15. Solve for x in the equation. 2x plus 5 equals 18. Option A, 13 over 2. B, 23 over 2. C, 6. D, none of these. The correct answer is A, 13 over 2. Step 1. The goal is to get the x by itself using inverse opposite operations. Start by isolating the 2x by subtracting 5 from both sides of the equation. 2x plus 5 minus 5 equals 18 minus 5. 2x equals 13. Step 2. Isolate the x by dividing by 2 on both sides. 2x over 2 equals 13 over 2. X equals 13 over 2. Question 16. Solve for x in the equation. 4x minus 3 equals 17. Fill in the blank. The correct answer is x equals 5. Step 1. The goal is to get the x by itself using inverse opposite operations. Start by isolating the 4x by adding 3 to both sides of the equation. 4x minus 3 plus 3 equals 17 plus 3. 4x equals 20. Step 2. Isolate the x by dividing by 4 on both sides. 4x over 4 equals 20 over 4. X equals 5. Question 17. A jewelry store offers an 18% discount on all necklaces. If a necklace is initially priced at $200, what is the sale price? Fill in the blank answer. The correct answer is 164. Step 1. One approach to percent off problems is to calculate the percent you would be paying. The original price is 100%. We are taking off 18%, which means we will be paying 82%, 100 minus 18 of the purchase price. By multiplying the purchase price by 0.82, the decimal form of 82%, we can find the discounted price. 200 times 0.82 equals 164. Question 18. A car dealership gives a 5% discount on all used cars. If a used car is initially priced at $15,000, how much is the discounted price? Option A, $14,250. B, $7,500. C, $750. D, none of these. The correct answer is A, $14,250. Step 1. One approach to percent off problems is to calculate the percent you would be paying. The original price is 100%. We are taking off 5%, which means we will be paying 95%, 100 minus 5, of the purchase price. By multiplying the purchase price by 0.95, the decimal form of 95%, we can find the discounted price. 15,000 times 0.95 equals 14,250. Question 19. A restaurant offers a 10% discount on meals during a special promotion. If a meal originally costs $35, how much is the discounted price? Option A, $3.50. B, $32.50. C, $31.50. D, none of these. The correct answer is C, $31.50. Step 1. To find the amount of the discount, you multiply the price times 0.10, the decimal form of 10%. You could also use mental math by just moving the decimal one place to the left from 35.00 to 3.50. 35 times 0.10 equals 3.50. Step 2. To find the discounted purchase price, you subtract the discount you just found from the original price. 35 minus 3.50 equals 31.50. Question 20. Solve for b in the equation 3b minus 15 equals 21. Option A, 2. B, 12. C, 3. D, none of these. The correct answer is B, 12. Step 1. The goal is to get the b by itself using inverse opposite operations. Start by isolating the 3b by adding 15 to both sides of the equation. 3b minus 15 plus 15 equals 21 plus 15. 3b equals 36. Step 2. Isolate the b by dividing by 3 on both sides. 3b over 3 equals 36 over 3. B equals...
Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it was helpful. Click the link right here to start your free 3-day trial to CNA Premium, which has over 1,000 practice questions that will help you pass your CNA exam on your first try.